In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download messages from iCloud. Before we dive in, there's an important truth to understand. Apple does not provide a direct download or export button for your iCloud messages. Unlike photos or files, you can't sign in to iCloud.com and save your messages as a file, and there's no official export messages option. iCloud Messages is designed as a syncing service, not a traditional file downloader. So when we talk about downloading, what we really mean is restoring your messages back onto your iPhone so they live on the device. The most common and fully supported way to do this is by turning on messages in iCloud so your conversations resync to your iPhone. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID at the top, then tap iCloud. Find Messages and turn on Sync. This iPhone or use on this iPhone. Make sure you're signed in with the same Apple ID that holds your messages in iCloud. Once enabled, your iPhone will begin pulling your message history down. Depending on how much you have, this can take some time. For a smoother experience, keep your iPhone connected to Wi-Fi and power, and make sure you have enough local storage. You'll typically see newer conversations appear first, with older threads and large attachments arriving gradually in the background. If you open the Messages app, you may notice content filling in as the sync completes. If you need everything stored locally and want to force iCloud to push messages down, there's another built-in option. Go to Settings, tap your Apple ID, then iCloud, choose Messages, and turn off iCloud Messages. When prompted, select Disable and Download Messages. This tells your iPhone to pull a complete copy of what's in iCloud and keep it on the device. Keep in mind, turning this off stops ongoing syncing for messages across your devices. That means new messages will live on this iPhone only until you turn syncing back on. It can also use more local storage, since attachments like photos, videos, and voice notes are saved directly to the phone. A few tips to wrap up. Neither method produces a single export file. Your messages will appear in the Messages app just as they did before. Give the process time, especially if you have years of history. Stay on Wi-Fi, keep the device charged, and avoid interrupting the process. And remember, you can always return to the same iCloud settings to re-enable syncing later if you want your messages to stay updated across all your Apple devices.